What about case 2? Coming to case 2 here, case 2. See, you can go for the break statement here. If I check the condition, if x double equal to 6, if x double equal 6, let me go for which statement here? Break. X double equal 6, break it, right? So in for loop, whenever you're using break statement also, this else is executed or not executed? Not executed. See, previously you can observe one point, you will get some warning messages, right? Sorry, this is called warning actually. So until unless whenever you're using the break statement in for loop, then only you can go for the else block. Right, clear? So here Ratan sir is printed 3 times or not? So else block executed or not executed? Not executed. See, when we use break statement, break statement, the for loop is the else block executed, not executed. The else block not executed, right? That's it. Clear? Good. So the conclusion is what? Along with the for loop, you can take the else block. The else block is executed whenever the for loop is executed normally. If the for loop is not executed, for loop is what? In the else block is not executed in how many cases? 2 cases. What are 2 cases? Number 1 is what? If the exception lies in the for loop, the else block is not executed. And case number 2 is what? Whenever you are using the break statement. Right, clear? So this is all about whatever for loop syntaxes. I hope you will get some clarity, right, regarding for loop. Good. So along with the for loop, you can take the while loop data. What a while loop here? What is syntax of while? While of you can write the condition, colon, simply you can write the print the data. So you can print a statement or what? Statements, right? That's it. This is syntax of what? This is syntax of what? While loop. Clear? So while of condition, statement or statements. So you come to the here, otherwise I will do this practical by using editor, edit plus editor. Here what is syntax of while loop? While of what? A less than 10. You can take the a variable, some a equal to 0. A equals 0, a less than 10. Simply can print the data. Print of what? Print of what? Ratan.It.com. Then simply can go for a symbol here. Break, right? Otherwise increment value a equal to a plus 10. Sorry, a equal to a plus 1. That's it. So clear? So in this case, what is the output here? You can run this code once in the command prompt. See, Ratan.It.com is printed how many times here? 10 times, right? That's it. Very clear? So that's it. This is syntax about whatever while. See, while of here you can write the condition also. What is the condition here? A while of condition. Condition means I can get the true. While of true means what is the output? Tell me here. Python. Then what happened? Keep on execute, right? Because true is never failed. They execute always. Keyboard interrupted, right? It's like that. See, here you can write while of 0 also. While of 0 means what? While of false, right? False means simply can go for print statement. This is my rest of the app. Rest of the app, right? That's it. Simply here I can run it. Rest of the app will be printed. Clear? So this is the information about whatever while loop. See, along with the while loop, you can take the else block also. The same rules are applicable here also. So while of tell me, while of here you can write the false. So while declaring the boolean constants, f must be the capital letter, right? While of false, print Ratan.It.com, rest of the application here. Good. Simply you can go for the else block. What is else block here? Print print what? Print what? I can write the print sunny. That's it. Tell me, in this case, what is the output? In this case, what is the output? So you can check it. Sunny is printed and rest of the application. Else block is executed, not executed? Executed. See, the else block is executed always except 2 conditions. What are the 2 conditions here? One is if the control is not entered, if the exception lies in the while loop, the else block is not executed. Number 2 is what? Whenever we are using the break statement, the else block is not executed. Very clear? When you use the what? Break statement. This is all about whatever for loop and while loop. These are all about in flow control statements. The points are clear. I hope you can do the example with if else, elif, for, while, break, continue, range. Any doubts regarding all the points? But some cases you can observe. Some cases if you don't want any data, simply you can go to the for x in range. For x in range of here I want 10 values. So if you don't want any data, simply you can write the pass here. Pass represents what? Empty body. Pass represents what? Empty body. Any data is printed here? No data. Clear? But one guy is asked in the last class, Ratan sir, you said when you use the break statement, else is not executed. But I would like to use the continue. When the continue is used, the else block is executed or not. In that case also else is executed, no problem. If you want you can check it. If x percentile to double equal to 0. X percentile to double equal to 0. Yeah, come on. Yeah. 0, 0, 0, 0. That's it. X percentile to double equal to 0. Otherwise, why this much data? If x double equal to 3, simply can write what? Continue. So other than 3, simply can print the data. Print of what? X, right? That's it. Clear points. So he can write the colon here. That's it. Along this for loop, he can write the else block print. Ratan sir. So like, comment, subscribe the videos, right? Good. See, simply in this case, what is the output? Tell me here. X double equal to 3. 3 means what? The particular iteration will be skipped. Which iteration will be skipped here? Third iteration will be skipped, right? If third iteration will be skipped, then what is the output here? You can check it. Ratan sir is executed, right? So third will be the skipped. Third iteration skipped, but Ratan sir is executed or not? So what is the conclusion here? When we use the continue also, else block is executed. That's not a problem. The continue will be executed whenever we are using what? Else block, continue also, right? Good. They clear? So this is all about whatever flow control statements in Python. See, in my material I have some examples. I will copy paste these examples here. So can please explain this code here. If you want this material, you can check my website. Otherwise, you can go through my. You can send the mail to my mail ID. What is my mail ID here? Ratan ratna5256@gmail.com. Okay, that's it. Very clear. So I'm trying to place some examples here. You can check it. Just multiple possibilities. Tell me, what is in this case? How is the output? Enter a number. Take that number as a guess number. If this number, that guess number both are equal, congratulations, you guess that. Less than number means little bit higher number, otherwise little bit lower number, rest of the application. Any explanation required this example? I hope no, right? Good. So like that, positive values, integer, negative values. So this is my material I'm prepared. Okay. Good. So else block is not executed how many cases? 2 cases. So you want any explanation? This sum to find out the sum of 1 to 100 members. Take the sum is 0, sum equals sum plus I. Let the loop is repeated 1 to 100 members. Then sum will be printed. Any explanation required for this one? No, right? If you want find out the even number and odd numbers, you can check the data here. So for I in range 1 to 10, percentile to w equals 0 means what? Even number, else what? Odd number, right? That is not a problem. Good. So like that you have the multiple examples in my material. Clear? So this is all about whatever flow control statements in what? Python. Clear? Good. See, for example, you can take this one here. You can check this last example regarding your flow control statements. Check the last example here. Enter some name. He entered exit means stop the execution break. If he entered less than 3 characters, name is very small. If you enter more than 3 characters, you entered good name, right? That's it. So here I am taking while of true. I taken this loop is in while loop. I taken this data in while loop. While loop means what happened? Loop is keep on repeated, right? Until unless you will click on what? Exit button. Exit means what? Loop is what? Breaked. So this is all about the flow control statements. So thank you guys, thanks for watching videos. Can please like the video and subscribe the video and comment the video. Can please share your knowledge to your friends. See, you are checking my videos, you are getting some knowledge. Just try to give the same subject others. Ratan sir is teaching some Python. If you want, you can check it once. Otherwise, at least you can teach your friend, not a problem. We clear, huh? Good, just time.